Hi everyone, this is Niloy. Welcome back to our dot programming tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will discuss about another loop, for in. This is the basic syntax for in loop. Most of the time, when we will work with list, we can use for in loop very easily. So let's do some programming. First of all, we need to declare and initialize a list here. So here we can see the output here. What have we done here? Let's explain. First of all, we take a list here and the type of the list is integer. That's why we take another variable here inside the condition part for in loop. Here x is integer type of variable and we initialize each element inside the x for a single loop, and that's how it execute this line according to the length of the list one here. So that's how the for in loop works. When we will start development using Dart programming language, we will see a lot of uses of for in loop. Also, it is a good alternate of for loop while working with list. It is easier to describe the condition part here than for loop. As we can see here, practice more for in loop related programming for well understanding about this control flow structure. Do not follow only this video series but also follow other resources, especially official document and other popular tutorial based websites. Read recommended books to learn in a best way. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.